Well, make your money. Well, make your money, baby.
There is a reason that portable is in the name of the new Zing Portable. The 3 folding legs are sturdy and can support children up to 36 pounds and 36 inches, but can also condense to a packable footprint. Once packed down, travel becomes a breeze and finding a space to store the standard between standing sessions becomes manageable. The small size combined with the transportability of the Zing Portable conduces itself to becoming an activity chair for home and school environments. Take the standard to new rooms, new places, or even on vacation. Standing regularly and more often is easier than ever. For more information about the Zing Portable and to learn more about all of the Zing products, visit zingstandards.com.